La Porteña is a Portland company. We make chimichurri. Chimichurri is the heart of the Argentine table. It's traditionally used in barbecue, asados, as we call it in Argentina. It's a garlicky herb finishing sauce, truly delicious and very fresh. You could pretty much use it on anything, but mostly I use it right out of the jar with bread. We have a traditional chimichurri. It's made with locally sourced fresh parsley and seasoned with chilies and spices from Argentina. The other variety we have is a spicy red chimichurri. It's got a bit of a kick at the end, and it's kind of like a cross between a chili oil and a chimichurri. So you have the best of both worlds. Porteño is what you call somebody from Buenos Aires. It actually means a person from a port city. So in Portland, we are porteños as well. La Porteña grew from a love of sharing tradition, and that started when my parents moved to the United States. We would have barbecues. My dad has got amazing skills at barbecuing. We built our community around those foods and those gatherings, really sharing our tradition and sharing culture and learning from each other. That is the drive behind La Porteña, bringing our tradition to your table.